Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a quick update on this little crochet braid style that I have been rocking. I absolutely love this style, you guys. I love the style, I love the color, everything about it. So before we jump into today's video and I give you guys my final thoughts on the hair, definitely be sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, turn your post notifications on, give the video a thumbs up, girl. And if you are new, welcome to the channel, boo. Okay, hopefully the lighting on this video is not too bad, you guys. It is nighttime. I'm actually getting ready to walk out the door for a little night out. Okay, watch the vlogs if you want to know what's going on. But for my final thoughts on this hair, you guys, A1. Okay, period. So the hair tomorrow will make 2 weeks. I wanted to keep this one in 3 weeks for you guys, but I honestly just kind of need to move on to the next style. I have a lot of crochet braid styles coming up. So you guys, if y'all are really into the crochet, definitely be sure to subscribe to the channel. But for this hair specifically, this is the Toyo Tress J Wand Curl in the color Burgundy. So this one is the 10-inch spiral curl. I did get a question on my previous video saying that the link led them to a Jamaican bounce hair. That's what this is, J for Jamaican. So y'all don't be confused by that. Okay, when you click the link in the description box down below, it will lead you directly to the hair that you should be purchasing that will look exactly like this. Make sure that you do purchase the 10-inch. Otherwise, girl, you might be getting something more similar to what we reviewed in the last video when I did the 12-inch and the 1B. But I'm gonna link my crochet braid playlist in the description box down below, as well as the original video for this hair, so you guys can go ahead and see how it was unboxed, how it looked straight out the pack, how I installed it, and everything like that. But as far as my final thoughts, girl, it's a winner. Okay, it is absolutely a winner. I love it. I don't want to take it out, you guys. I do not want to take it out. Like, I just think it looks so good. And by me adding in that hair paint wax like around the edges and doing it in my eyebrows as well, y'all can see, okay? My eyebrows are also red. I just feel like it brings everything together. I just love the whole look. The feel of this hair is definitely more coarse than the previous hair that I have reviewed for this company, but I think it works out really well because of the curl pattern, because it's like this spiral curl. It almost reminds me of, if you guys remember, like back in the day, if y'all have been doing crochet for a while, when people used to buy the crochet dreads and then like split them apart for the spiral curl. I think I might have a video on my channel where I did that. If I do, it was like, it's years old, like years old, back when I first started YouTube. But yeah, girl, that's what it kind of like reminds me of. It's not as plasticky as like those dreads, but it's definitely like a different texture, not as like super soft and silky like some other crochet braid styles. But because, like I said, of the curl pattern of this, it holds up so well. It holds up so well. My nighttime routine is super duper simple. Literally, I just put my hair in a bun on the top of my head, tie my scarf around it, and go to sleep. That's it. So if you're looking for something that is very low maintenance, get this, girl. I highly recommend this for something that's very low maintenance. You really have to do nothing. I actually have not even used the Downy water mixture on this hair since I first installed it. So this is literally how it looks, girl. Like, this is how it looks. Like, no products are on this. The only thing I've been doing is kind of like oiling my scalp, and like I said, putting the hair paint wax around the edges so everything can just be nice and red. But yeah, so this is like definitely like no maintenance for this crochet. If you're looking for a no maintenance crochet, very easy, a natural feeling texture, something you can throw up in a bun and go, this is gonna be your best friend, okay, period. So let me know what you guys think about this hair in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts, girl. Of the other Toyo Tress hairs that I reviewed, the Ocean Wave, the other wand curl in the 1B, the Deep Wave, which one is your favorite, you guys? Let me know, because I honestly, girl, I don't think I could pick. I really just do not think I can pick. So let me know your favorites down below. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Don't forget to watch the vlog if y'all want to know where I'm going, and see the full outfit and all that. But I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.